I'm gonna try to go for my first walk now. I'm walking.
Yes, you are.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Ride the Bean. Today is the second part of this journey back south. We are going to be transported, or at least I am going to be transported by ambulance plane back to Trondheim. Not really the way I wanted to go back to Trondheim, but I guess it's better than the alternative, not being able to go at all. So, update today. I just had a drain removed, a hose sticking out of my stomach, right here. My suture in the middle of my stomach is healing, and I've been up and had a shower. I don't know if you want to hear this, but I had my first poop since the accident today. It's weird.
Yes! Nurses love it. The first poop. Good job, babe.
Yeah, so that's what's going on here.
So our bikes are in Alta. They were kept safe by the police, as well as our luggage. And we're gonna need to have somebody help us get the bikes and luggage down from Alta and back to Trondheim. According to the police, they were drivable, which is amazing. But we do want them to be serviced. So today my mission is to try and get them transported from the police in Alta down to Ride in Trondheim, where they can be serviced.
Since we are getting transferred out of here now, I got kicked out in the living room. I need my room for someone else. Which is, I guess, sad for that person, but
Yeah.
good for me. I'm so appreciative that they let you stay here with me.
Yeah, that they went beyond anything.
Yeah.
They made this experience so much easier to go through for the both of us.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, it's really been amazing. She's been a lifesaver through all this. Thank you.
any day, babe. And let's stay out of those rivers.
Let's stay out of the rivers.
Ja, skal du operere det?
Nej, jag har blivit opererad.
Du har blitt operert, ja. Men det er Trondheim dere er for gjerne?
Yeah.
It's gonna recover.
Ja, ja.
This is also a way to travel. So, now we are on our way to the airport to go back home. This is not how I wanted to see things, so
We have to come back here someday.
I guess we have to.
Bra for i dag. Ja, i dag har du fått masse tromme. Bra fikk du...
Vi är med oss en Hansen på väg ut. En bordell. Ja. Ta-da! Here I am at St. Olav, back in Trondheim. That was an interesting journey. Being flown in an ambulance plane. It was a beautiful view leaving Tromsø, but of course here in Trondheim it rained. It's nothing new. This room actually looks very nice. I was afraid that it was going to be more busy and less personal here in Trondheim, but it actually seemed to be the opposite. Not to take away anything from the people up north, because they were just fantastic in any way, every way. So now I'm going to stay here for, I don't know how long, a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I don't really know. However long it takes to get back on my feet. And in the ambulance we met this really cool woman. And we invited her for a cup of coffee when I feel better. So maybe you'll meet her in a future episode. That would be really awesome. She also loves to go hiking and loves to drink coffee.
So, Kenneth's cap. We've been arguing about the stickers on Kenneth's cap for a month. Is it cruel to take away the stickers on the cap of a man who's in bed and can't get out without help?
Yes.
No?
No, don't.
I didn't take it off while you were in a coma.
Can you take off the under one? Not
Under
the
one.
over one.
Under sticker. Oh,
That's
finally.
Cool. That's rude.
It is not. Everyone
Yes.
wants you to take off the sticker.
Well, I don't want to.
Well, get out of bed and beat me if you can. See?
Hey,
You don't pose any threat.
don't be so sure of that.
There you go.
You're mean.
I'm not.
So this is my life now. When I crashed, I managed to punch a hole through my large intestine and the thing behind it, 12-finger intestine, is that the name of it? Mm-hmm. And when they sewed that hole shut, first they had to remove half of my larger intestines. And when they sewed the hole shut, there's a bulge on the inside of the intestine. So no food can pass through. That's why I have to eat through these tubes now. It really, really sucks. And it hurts. I'm trying to drink a little bit, eat a little bit, but not much passes through. It's like a tiny, tiny, tiny passage. So until that is solved, I'll have to stay here. In a few days, I'm gonna do a gastroscopy. They're gonna go down with a camera and have a closer look at it to see what can be done. But until then, this is my dinner. Yummy.
So this is a bag of carbohydrates, protein and fats. They're broken down into single molecules and then pumped into Kenneth's bloodstream. So the work that is done by his stomach and liver to get the nutrients in his bloodstream are bypassed. But it's only a temporary solution, because when the intestines are not put to work, they are not supplied by enough oxygen. That means the intestines die. So we'll need to figure out a different solution to make sure that his intestines stay fit. Things you take for granted, huh? Just we go about our daily lives, have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and our intestines and liver carry out so much work for us. And now Kenneth's intestines just are not working. Team Ride the Bean is...
A bit paralyzed at the moment.
Yeah,
We're still a team.
we are.
Thanks to Pia, I am still here. Without her, I actually would not be. So, thank you. I guess it could be worse.
We're gonna get through this somehow.
Just feels very difficult right now. But there are other people in more difficulty than us. You always have to think that way.
Yeah.
It could be a lot worse.
And one day we're gonna get back on those bikes.
Yeah. Worst case scenario now though, we're gonna have to postpone our trip 6 or so months. Until next spring. That really sucks. That really, really sucks.
Yeah.
It is what it is. There's nothing we can do about it.
Just gotta keep on keeping on.
Yeah. So until then, I just gotta keep moving around, stretching, trying to exercise as much as I can. It's not easy. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little trip from Tromsø to Trondheim. It was very interesting for me, and I'll definitely write a blog about it in more detail. So don't forget to check out ridethebean.com and hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next video we post. Peace out. See you in the next one.